Hey guys, it's Karen Mara. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to give you an Abundance Network update. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews just to let you make an informed buying decision. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, if you haven't seen my other videos on the Abundance Network, I did a review about 4 weeks ago, and then I also did a video on YouTube marketing strategy for Abundance Network. But if this is your first time hearing about Abundance Network, I'm just going to go through real quickly what it is. The product is an SMS-based automated phone closing system, and it will generate also leads for your primary business. It was created by Jeff Long. He's a programmer. Cost is one-time fee of $100 plus $50 for your admin fee, and then you can pay by Cash App, Facebook, Messenger, Bitcoin, whatever the person that's referring you has set up in their back office. Could be PayPal or other payment methods. I have done where I send someone an invoice through Stripe. So there's all kinds of ways that you can pay. It's basically you're going to have a phone number that's assigned to you, and the prospect will call your phone number, and then they're prompted if they want to learn more that they're going to press 1, and then they hear a 5-minute phone-based sales funnel. It's really, really good. All their questions are answered. It's totally automated. So if they have a question, they type in the question, it's answered back to them via text, and then if they're interested in signing up, they text back, get started, and then they're led through the sign-up process all through a text message. And there is some leverage in it. The compensation plan is you keep your first sale and you pass up your second and your fourth. You keep your third and your fifth and every sale after the fifth. So there is some leverage to it. So let me show you the back office here. This is my results in just a little less than a month, and I really haven't marketed this much, and I'll tell you why. That's the update I wanted to tell you. So when you come in order to use the system, it'll probably be around $20 a month for usage, because it's not free for people to call your number. You have credits, and so you'll have to purchase some credits. Now, the first company they used was Twilio, and they are not fond of BizOps. So we weren't able to use them anymore, and then Jeff went to a temporary solution, Nexmo, I think was what it was called, and then people were getting that shut down. That was just a temporary solution. So now they have a permanent solution that is automated here in the back office. So when you come in, and it's cheaper too. So when you come in, I mean, it literally would take you less than 10 minutes to get set up and totally your business up and running. So let's see here. There's just 5 steps that you would go through in the setup. So the first one is you get credits. You have to purchase at least $10 worth. And then you get your phone number. You put in your admin number. I just added my cell phone number. And then if you have a primary business, you'll add your link to your lead capture page there. So that's it. And right after you get done with that, these steps here, you have a phone number, which is going to be right here, your personal phone number, and that's what you share, and you call it, make sure it works, and then you can start marketing. So that, like I said, will take you very little time to set up. I mean, there's really no way you can mess this up. It's just step by step. So you get your credits, get your phone number, put in your admin number, whatever number you want to use. Like I said, I use my cell phone. Add in your primary business URL right here, and then you start marketing. You can send out an SMS swipe to people that you know, all your contacts, and then they've got posts on Facebook and other social media sites. They have different things that you can post, ideas of what you can post. Done for you marketing that's going to be coming soon. So that's really what I wanted to update you on. Also the fact that I think it's easy for anybody to get this set up, because a lot of businesses, you come in, you have to get your autoresponder set up, You have to get your lead capture page set up. You don't have to do any of that. You just simply come in, follow these 5 steps, and you're up and running, ready to share your number with other people. And let me show you what you will get if you decide to join with me. The first thing, of course, is I already have this posted on YouTube, but if you look at this video, I talk about some keywords that you can use for Abundance Network to be able to rank. Not necessarily Abundance Network Review, because that's pretty competitive right now because a lot of people are posting videos about it, but some other keywords you can use, but also looking at it as a long-term strategy, not just with Abundance Network, but how can you build a long-term sustainable business with YouTube and be able to eventually get AdSense revenue, which I just got the end of March. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months. And this month I should reach $600, and that's like residual income that people click on ads that play at the beginning of my videos. And so you can think of this as a long-term strategy, not only with Abundance Network, but if you want to switch it out down the road, you know, if it's another business that you're marketing, then this is a long-term strategy using YouTube to market. And the other thing that you'll get, I do have a video that I give to people on Facebook marketing that works really, really well, different than anything that I had learned before. And also you'll get access to our team training site here. Abundance Network, you'll have, if you want to, now you don't have to do this, but you can set up through the Conversion Pros a lead capture page, and we have the autoresponder follow-up messages. That's if you want to do like solo ads and really build an email list, but it's not required because you can just use Abundance Network like they have it, and they follow up for you. After 24 hours after someone opts in here, so you're going to have your opt-ins here because not everybody will pay and join. They are then sent within 24 hours a text message that asks if they're interested in looking at other ways to make money, and if they text back yes, then they'll be texted your lead capture page for your primary business. So this is how we're building our primary business on the back end and being able to market that way. Also, they're just going to continue to market for you via text messaging. And so you don't have to set up a lead capture page, send out broadcast messages or anything like that. It's just all automated through the Abundance Network. But like I said, if you do want to set up a lead capture page, we have that all, share codes and everything for that. And then this is for another business, but it applies to Abundance Network. We have training on top solo ad places, email mastery hacks, Facebook Ninja Mastery Training, Craigslist, and SMS texting training. So that way you can share this number via text message marketing and have people join that way. So that's basically what I wanted to share with you today. It's just that one update that's going to make everything so much easier. And Jeff said that this company that he went with is 100% BizOp friendly. They love what we're doing, so there's not going to be any problems with this, using this. So again, if you guys want to get started with me, in some of my other videos, in the actual video, there's a different phone number because I've had to change it 3 times now. So this is the phone number, 234-226-1702, and I'll leave that in the description below the video. But if you do see that in other videos, that is not correct, and I did correct it in the description below the video. So if you guys want to get started with me, those will be the bonuses, and I would look forward to working with you. So with that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.